In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Zoom Workplace. We'll walk through turning the feature on, choosing or uploading a background, switching it during a meeting, and what to do if it doesn't show up. This applies to the Zoom desktop app on Windows and Mac. First, make sure Virtual Background is enabled on your account. Open a web browser, sign in to the Zoom web portal, and go to Settings. Under Meeting, find the In Meeting Advanced section and look for Virtual Background. Turn it on. If you're using a company-managed Zoom account and the toggle is grayed out, that means an administrator controls it. In that case, you may need to ask your admin to enable Virtual Background for your account or user group. Next, open the Zoom desktop app and sign in. Click your profile picture or the small gear icon to open Settings. In the menu on the left, choose Backgrounds and Filters, sometimes labeled Virtual Background depending on your version. This is where you'll see everything you can use. To pick a background quickly, click one of the default options that Zoom provides. If you prefer your own image or a short looping video, click the plus symbol, choose Add Image or Add Video, and select a file from your computer. For best results, use a widescreen image so it fills the frame neatly, and pick visuals that aren't too busy. Good lighting helps Zoom cleanly separate you from the background. If you have a physical green screen behind you, check the box that says "I have a green screen" to improve the edge detection, and try to avoid wearing the same color as your screen. You can also change backgrounds while you're already in a meeting. Click the small arrow next to the Start Video or Stop Video button and select Choose Virtual Background. The same gallery will open, so you can switch to a different one or upload a new file without leaving the call. If the Backgrounds tab is missing or the effect doesn't work, update to the latest version of Zoom, since older builds may not support the feature. Signing out of the Zoom app and signing back in can also make the Backgrounds and Filters tab appear if it was hidden. Finally, be aware that some computers don't meet Zoom's hardware requirements for virtual backgrounds, especially video backgrounds. In those cases, you may only see limited options. And that's it. With Virtual Background enabled, you can set a clean, professional look in just a few clicks before or during any meeting.